Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, the people who are not subscribed my channel, I'm requesting you, all of you to please be subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon and hit the like button. Then only I can reach many people. Okay guys, in our previous classes, we have discussed until transpose GUI option, right? In our today's class, we are going to discuss about how to pivot and unpivot tables. Okay guys, for this, I have opened Power Query window. In this, I am going to load a table which is under column transformation Excel file. Okay, I want to load this table into Power Query. Okay guys, okay, now I'm going to load this table into Power Pivot at the same time. Click on apply. It's going to be loaded into Power Pivot. It got loaded successfully into Power Pivot. Guys, if you can observe one thing, the number of columns here you can see 31 rows. Number of rows you can see 31 rows. Number of columns 12, right? But here if you can observe, the column name not given properly. So I'm going to promote this first row as headers. Use first row as headers. Okay. Now column names given correctly. Okay, it's perfect, right? Guys, if we open Power Pivot, apply changes. Okay, this is table view. Okay guys, the table view shows us what is the information stored in the selected table. This is report view. In this, we create reports using the data which we have loaded into Power Pivot. Now we have a pivot data, right? I'm gonna take one card visual. In this card visual, I wanna see year-wise sales amount. Okay. I wanna see 2016 year-wise sales amount. Okay, guys. Perfect. I'm gonna make some changes for this visual. Under this format your visual, we have a callout value. I'm going to decrease this size from 45 to 40. Okay. If I want to change the color, I can change it, but it's fine. I'm keeping it like this. If I can change the display unit also. Here 2 millions, right? I want to change it into thousands. For that, here, right, display units, millions to thousands. Okay, changed. There is no decimal values here, right? So we don't touch this option. We don't need to touch that option. Okay. Category label means sum of 2016. Okay guys, I would like to increase the size of category label from 12 to 20. It looks good right now. Okay guys, I wanna made us all the changes, but still I wanna make a few changes. I wanna add some effects to this visual. Under this, in general, effects. If if I want to change background color of this visual, I can using this, but I don't want to change anything. I'm keeping it by default. Visual board, click on it, and shadow is outside, right? I wanted it inside. Okay guys, now it looks perfect. Okay guys, I'm gonna copy this visual and paste it. Okay, in these visuals I wanna see 2009 sales in this visual. Okay, I'm gonna remove this, click on 2009. Okay, in this second visual I want to see 2012 sales. Okay guys, I'm gonna take a table visual also. It's matrix, it's table. Okay, I will keep it here like this. I think for this we don't need it. Okay guys, in the all visuals, if you can clearly observe, it's showing year-wise sales amount only. Okay, but I wanted to see total sales amount, not individual years. I want to see total sales amount. In this table, is it possible to see? Is it possible to create visuals with this data? No, it's not possible, right? For that case, I'm going to the Power Query. I'm going to duplicate this pivot table. Going to rename it as Unpivot. Guys, here I wanna say one thing. Under pivot, I'm gonna change this name also. Pivot table. Under pivot table, if you can observe here, there are 30 rows and 12 columns, right? Here, this is also pivot. We duplicated it, right? Now I'm going to apply this table. I'm going to apply unpivot. Okay, on this table I'm going to apply unpivot transformation. For that, I'm gonna select all the year columns because I wanted to change those only, right? Click here. Under transformation tab, we have unpivot. I wanted to unpivot only selected columns, so I'm going with this option. Okay, this is year column, right? I'm gonna keep it year. This is sales. Okay, if you can observe here, how many rows here? 240 rows, right? How many columns? 6 columns. Pivot and unpivot. The difference between these two GUI options, in pivot table, the number of rows will be increased and the number of columns will be decreased. When coming to the pivot, the number of rows will be decreased. The number of columns will be increased. Okay, you can clearly see it here. Here on pivot column there are 6 columns and 240 rows. Here in pivot table there are 12 columns, 30 rows. Okay, rows got decreased, columns got increased. That's the difference between pivot and unpivot. I'm going to load this unpivot table into Power Pivot. For that, click on apply. Okay, 2 tables got loaded successfully. Here, okay, this is pivot table, right? This is unpivot table. Okay, here I'm gonna copy this visual, Control V. In this visual, I'm going to see total year-wise sales. Okay. In these visuals, we have individual year sales, right? In this, we are going to see total year sales. Remove this, add it. Okay, guys. That's the use of a pivot and unpivot. When we want to see these kind of reports, at the time we can use pivot and unpivot options. Guys, I'm gonna show it in a table visual also. In this, from pivot, region wise sales. Okay, selected all the columns. Okay, see guys, for the year of 2016, 17,000. Okay, it's showing approx, right? For the year of 2012, we are just checking it, 1,59,000. Okay, for the year of 2009, 1,47,000. Okay, right? Today it's enough. We'll meet tomorrow with new topic. Thank you guys. Please be subscribed and follow for more videos.